Hello Disney family, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be sharing 6 easy fish extender ideas for your next Disney cruise vacation. So if you like easy and inexpensive ideas, please consider subscribing, and let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to be sharing are these cute little easy lights for people's cruise hotel rooms, however you want to call it. You just need these little tea lights that are battery operated. You can get them at the Dollar Tree or basically any 99-cent only store. This washi tape I also got from the Dollar Tree. It's the little Mickey Tsum Tsum, and it's got all different characters of Tsum Tsums. And you literally just wrap the bottoms so they look like little Disney-inspired lights. But the thing about a Disney cruise room, if you've never been on a Disney cruise, is there is just one main light that you stick a key card into. It's usually just your hotel room key, and you stick it, and that's what controls your lights. So isn't like very much like little lighting in the bathroom or just kind of a night light. So this is a really great idea for families that are traveling, or even couples if you're an adult-only fish extender group. And I'm going to go more into fish extenders into another video, but for this one I am just sharing my fish extender ideas. So that is the finished product. I made one for each of the people in my group, and you'll see kind of a sped up version here. Now next are these little emergencies, and I will put the spelling up on here so you guys can see what I'm talking about. But it's basically just like a little first aid kit for their hotel room, and I made one for each of the families. I got those little containers from everything I got from the Dollar Tree, essentially. Got everything from the Dollar Tree because I was trying to make them inexpensive. I was in a large group with a lot of people in the families, and so I needed to do something that was both effective and worthwhile, but also cost effective. So here is me just putting those together, and you could basically put in whatever you want. I chose to put in Advil and Tylenol and Band-Aids and some alcohol wipe pads and then some antibacterial wipes. And then I just used these little containers, and I put little labels on the front that said emergency. Now I got these for Pirate Night to stick on the front of the doors of all the people in my fish extender group. They weren't magnetic, so what I chose to do was get these large magnets. Once again, all this was from the Dollar Tree, and I just hot glued them onto the back. And I initially cut off the top, that top string right there, but I ended up keeping it on because I found that some of the people's front doors were not very magnetic, so it was a better idea to just keep them on than to take them off. But just hot glue, put that on, and it was fun. They're just these cute little dry erase boards that you could write on. I did end up putting some Velcro onto the side and onto the pen top so that there was a place to keep the pen, because there wasn't. But you could use Velcro or a magnet, or even like some sort of loop hook if you wanted to try doing that. I did get several of these magnets, which I had just glued on the back of the Pirate board, and I made these personalized magnets. So I just cut out some cute paper, scrapbooking paper, and then Mod Podged it onto the front, and then I used a wooden letter that had the initial of the person that I was giving this to. I colored it with a silver Sharpie, and it was just like a fun decorative magnet for their cruise door. Now these next couple of ideas are just things that you can purchase at the Dollar Tree. You don't have to do any sort of DIY. These are just some stickers that I stuck into the fish extenders, and they do have a frame attached to them, and you could essentially put magnets on the frame to kind of add something to it. And then there are also these little towels. They're the magic washcloths, and they have basically every character you could possibly think of. So I got the favorite characters of different people in my group, and I gave them each their favorite character. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. I hope you will consider subscribing, and as always, I hope to make your trip just a little more magical. See you guys real soon.